Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to stop Microsoft Edge from opening automatically when Windows starts or when you click on links. First, we will stop Microsoft Edge from running at startup. Move your mouse to the taskbar and right-click on it. From the menu, open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in Simple View, click on More Details. Now open the Startup tab. Look through the list and find Microsoft Edge. Right-click on it and select Disable. After doing this, the status should show Disable, which means Edge will no longer start when your computer boots. Next, we will set the default browser properly in Windows 11. Right-click on the Start button and open Settings. From there, click on Apps, then open Default Apps. In the search box, type the name of the browser you want to use, such as Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, and click on it from the results. At the top, click the Set Default button to apply it for web links like HTTP and HTTPS, as well as other supported file types. If you want more control, you can scroll down and see a list of file types and link types. Click on any of these and select your preferred browser. This allows you to customize exactly which browser opens different types of links and files. After these changes, Microsoft Edge will stop opening automatically. When you open links or start your browser, your selected browser will open instead. That is all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.